Hi and hello, this is Sri Hari. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Storage Explorer in Azure. And go to the Google Chrome or any web browser and type Storage Explorer download, and click the first option, first link. Scroll down. If you don't have download option, means go to the second option. Click download here. I already downloaded. Anyway, I'll show you how to download. Click download option. Auto automatically. No, yeah, download. That's a very simple procedure. After download, I already downloaded, so that's what I'm cancelled here. Already, okay. Once you download the Storage Explorer and install this. So after install, they also like this. Yeah, so this is the home page of the Storage Explorer. Shows like this. Okay, I click the plugin option and using this option to connect via connect using subscription or storage account or block and file share queue table anyway anything. Yeah, okay guys. I hope we are now very well how to download and install the Storage Explorer in from Microsoft website. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.